Okay, guys, for today's assignment, it's a note flight assignment, but it's a quick one where you just have to write in the notes. So what you do, go to your note flight. Don't sign up for free. You already did that. Just go to the sign in button on the upper right-hand corner and use your Google. Google is just the easiest way to sign in. Go to your Capo USD. And what you're going to do for this one, you're not going to start a new score. You're going to search for a score and you're going to download it to your own scores. Once again, if you have more than 10, it's not going to let you do this part. So count and see how many you have. If it's more than 10, then you got to delete some. The way you delete is you just hover over that note and then delete. So if you just hover over the note, see how I do that, and you just click delete and it does it for you. So you're going to search for an assignment called Notable Notes. And it's very similar to the one that you did last week. Look for it under Public Scores. Once again, look for it under Public Scores. Make sure that it's perfectly spelled out right, and it should be the very top one that comes up. So here it is, Notable Notes. Click on that one, and you're going to copy it onto your own. So the way you copy it or export it is you see this button right here. It says Save a Copy. And if you don't see this button right here with the two little papers, go over here to your three horizontal lines and make sure that the word score is checked off. Because if it's not checked off, see, it disappears. So make sure that's checked off, and then you'll see it come on up. Save a copy, click on that, and it'll take you right back to your own scores. So once you've done that, you can start punching in the notes in. So just like last time, you just have to write in all the note names underneath. So I gave you a bit of a cheat sheet right here in the first three measures. See that? I gave you all the note names from C all the way up to G. So it's up to you to fill in the rest. So I'll start you off. You click on the first note, press Control L. If you have a Mac, press Command L. Control L, and now you can write whatever it is that you want to write underneath. So that first note is C. Ooh, that one is also C. And I just keep going. When you press a space bar, it takes you to the next note, next note, next note, next note. So once again, to write the notes underneath, the note names underneath, click note and press Control L or Command L if you happen to have a Mac. And that's it. You do the whole paper, the whole thing, from that first measure all the way to measure, it ends on 23. Once you've finished, save your work. Save it. And once it's saved, export it and turn it into Canvas. So you export using this button. See that little arrow pointing down, and you hover over it and it actually says export. If you don't see this, make sure once again that the word score is clicked off. Look, if it's not clicked off, then you don't see that button. So make sure it's clicked off, and there's my export button. Click export, make sure it's a full score PDF. Click continue, click save, and it is now saved onto your computer. So now that all that's left to do is go to your course modules and turn it in. So from there, you just go to Canvas and upload it. And that's it.